You'll search how to buy shares of Inclusio SA, a company focused on industrial real estate and infrastructure services. It trades on Euronext under the ticker INCLU.BR, and this brief guide is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker INCLU.BR to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext result to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company name, market, and ticker to confirm this is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or entered as a limit, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the video description.